Good morning. Myself, Dr. Radhika, working as Associate Professor, Department of Agriculture Engineering, SNCT Coimbatore. Today, we are going to discuss about vision of SNS College of Technology is to be an international recognized technical university renowned by its excellence in teaching, learning, and research in diversified field of engineering and technology by producing globally competent technocrats with strong ethical values. Then mission of our SNS Technology of College to offer contemporary and rigorous educational experience that will equip the graduates with advanced problem solving and critical thinking skills for contributing to societal growth. To ensure continuous development of infrastructure and state of the art equipment to provide technologically advanced and intellectually inspiring learning environment, to provide an ambience that encourage knowledge acquisition and academic freedom to produce skilled professionals and vibrant entrepreneurs, to collaborate with industry, government bodies, R&D organization, and foreign university to acquire new knowledge and develop technological transformation to achieve global excellence, to instill a sense of professional integrity, social and ethical values, leadership qualities, and cultural awareness to evolve as a responsible citizens. Then vision. Vision is to be a leading stream of study known for its quality education and to produce graduates who handle massive societal issues and solve technical challenges faced by food processing through environmental safe technology. Mission to still student with a strong fundamental knowledge and develop necessary skills to meet the needs of a rapidly changing food industries in terms of nutrition, safety, and functionality. To provide students with quality engineering education so as to enable them to address the needs of food technology and agriculture profession, particular society in general. To develop adaptable technologies with entrepreneurship and leadership qualities, solve scientific challenges, keeping in mind the safety and ethical concerns. Then five pillars of our SNS called CLT, SCD, CFC, IIPBC, SRA. What do you mean by CLT? CLT is Center for Learning and Teaching. SCD Skill and Career Development. CFC is Center for Creativity. IIPC Industry Institute Partnership Cell. SRA Social Responsibility Initiatives. Then Program and Educational Objectives. Objectives 1 is gradually will exhibit the basic knowledge in mathematics, science, engineering and apply them in the field of food processing engineering. Program educational objectives 2 graduate will communicate effectively in both verbal and written form and acquire the teamwork. Third one, graduates will be familiar with modern engineering software tool and equipped to achieve food safety and nutritional security. Then fourth objective, graduates will understand various engineering fields and main expertise to interdisciplinary application in various fields. Program specific outcomes. Program specific outcome 1 is to students will process adequate knowledge in the area of food processing engineering, food preservation to ensure the food safety and nutritional security. Outcome tool, the students can pursue higher studies in IITC, Central Institute, Foreign University and reputed educational institute in India and abroad. These are the 2019 curriculums are available in our institutions. First one is IICTs, the basic science are 25, then SNCT FT semester 24. Semester, each semester first and second and 8th, semester 3 is 3 number, semester 4 is 3 numbers and semester 7 is 2 numbers. Then for example engineering sciences, IICT offering 24 courses, SNCT semester 22 courses, semester 1 is 8, semester 2 is 9, semester 3 is 2, semester 4 is 2 numbers. Then programming core, totally 48, 64 is SNCT, 3 is semester 2, 34 is semester 3, 17 is semester 4, 18 is semester 5, 8 is semester 6, 3 is semester 7, 8 is semester 2. Program elective. Then total number is 18. The SNCT offered 9 numbers. Semester 3, then semester 5, 6, 7 and 8. 7, that's all. Then open elective courses offered 80 numbers. 6 are SNCT, then semester 6 and 7. Then project seminar internships are offered 50 numbers. 21st offered in Essence History, semester 1, 3, 2, 1. 1 number in semester 3, 2 numbers in semester 4, 1 number is semester 5, 2 number is semester 6, 2 number is semester 7, and 12 number is semester 4. Then mandatory courses are optionals. These are the courses offered in SNS Technology. So thank you one and all